Let's play a guessing game. How much do you think the highest road accident fund payout was? And who do you think got that money? Was their nationality? Was their ethnicity? The answer will shock you.
That the highest payout from the road accident fund went to a Swiss billionaire by the name of Joachim Werner Schlott. Joachim received an amount of 500 million rand from the road accident fund. That the highest beneficiary from the road accident fund.
And you know what's the crazy thing? Is that people won't be angry at this story that the biggest payout of the road accident fund is a guy from Switzerland, a foreigner, a European. And that's the thing, he's European. His name is not Rutondo Moyo. If it was Rutondo Moyo, you'd see protests everywhere. This story would be trending. Operation Dudula would be on top of it. But siyazi Operation Dudula yabasaba labantu. So we know they won't be angry that a European got the biggest payout. The road accident fund has been infiltrated. Imagine a billionaire. Did he actually have an accident? So he had an accident and he got money. From Switzerland, he came all the way from Switzerland, came to South Africa. We assume he had an accident. We don't know how he got that 500 million rands. We assume he got an accident. So the accident in South Africa and he gets the money. Does it mean that he went back to Switzerland and applied the documentation while he's in Switzerland? I mean, this is bad, man. This is very, very bad. When a person comes from outside the country and claims the money here, I think it kind of damages the economy because that person won't spend back the money in the South African economy. They are taking the money out. So they're not even contributing to the South African tax. They're just taking the money outright. It's like the whole Pakistani Somali spaza shop. No matter how much money they make, those guys, they are not going to reinvest in South Africa. They are taking the money back to Somalia. We assume they're taking back the money to Somalia. Yeah, if you have a conspiracy about it, maybe if you know where they're taking that money, you can tell us. But that's the assumption, right? So, road accident fund, that's why Letswalo, they took him out. They knew that they didn't take him out in terms of unaliving him. He's still alive, barely alive, because they took away his security. But you cannot understand why they had to remove him. It's because the road accident fund corruption is so deep that even guys from Switzerland are benefiting. It means